Hello guys, welcome to Pretty Little Life. Today I would like to give review about a bleach. This is OXYLIFE bleach. This is 27 grams for 82 rupees. With this we can get rid of dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin, dead skin cells and suntan. So this is what the packaging looks like. They have mentioned a natural radiance cream bleach with active oxygen. So yeah, let's open. This is all what comes in the box. This is a manual on how to use this product. There is this activator. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, this is a powder activator. Yeah, this is the bleach. So they have given in the separate box, and this is radiance serum. This you have to use the post bleach. So let's mix it. For this we need a bowl and a brush. So what all we have to do is they've mentioned read this manual. Definitely we have to use, let me show you. So yeah, they mentioned that if according to your skin tones, if it is darker you have to wait up to 10 minutes, and if it is whitish you have to wait up to 15 minutes, and if it is fair at least 15 and more than 15. And the mixture and the way which you have to mix is 7:1. So this ratio is very important, guys. You cannot just mix whatever you want to. You have to definitely mix this according to the given ratio. So activator is something which you have to mix with bleach to show its work. So today I'd like to use it on my feet and show you the result. So I'm mixing it. They even gave a spatula for this, with which we can take the amount of product and mix it as well. So now I'm taking in the 7:1 ratio. I'm taking the bleach. So I'm taking half the bleach. You don't have to use the complete box. I guess a half box will be sufficient for your legs. Only the foot part. Only the feet part, sorry. So this is what the activator looks like. So approximately I'm trying to mix it in the ratio of 7:1, if you can see. So yeah, I've mixed this much of product of activator. So I'm mixing now this with the spatula given. Mix it thoroughly, mix it well, so that the activator and the bleach mixes well and gives the good result. Now you can apply. I guess this is mixed well. If you want, just wait for 1 minute and then start applying it. So yeah, I've mixed it well. Now I'll show you how to apply this on my hand, and I'll definitely post the pictures in the video somewhere on my legs and show you the results also. All you have to do is you can use a brush to apply it, or even you can manage with the spatula also if you can. You have to put a thin layer on your skin. You can make a thin layer So yeah, I've applied it here. After it is dried, you'll get all the white white layer on your skin. So you just have to wait. Mine is fair skin, guys, so I have to wait for 15 minutes. I'll use it on my legs and post the pictures in the video, and I'll definitely post the and I'll definitely give you the details of the product where you can buy in the description below. So please do check it, guys, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.